welcome to Chef Boi RD's kitchen. Today we'll be cooking our delicious meal. Don't mess with the camera. Our delicious meal. Hold on, let me turn on the lights. Dad, stop messing around back there.
I found 2 fruit snacks.
Where's the lights?
Here.
There you go.
You want a fruit snack?
We got some fruit snacks here. Okay, today we'll be learning how to cook my famous fruit snacks. So first we need a bowl. Jack will get a bowl. I'll get a bowl. So while he gets the bowl,
second of all, you need a pack of fruit snacks, okay?
Yeah, disclaimer, I'm not anyway sponsored by these.
It's a bowl. Yeah, no sponsor.
Okay,
but if you would like to sponsor, please do.
Please do. We kind of need the money.
The first step is to make sure all the fruits are at the bottom. And then the second step is to tear that sucker open. Third step is to pour it into the bowl. Just like so.
Just like this. No, stop. You're doing it all wrong.
And then
we need a spoon.
And then the fourth step,
Hold
you
on.
get a spoon.
You got a spoon.
And then the fifth step is you eat them all.
Owen, that's not the right step. You're messing all steps up. You gotta stir it well.
And then you put some honey in it.
No, honey.
Jack.
No, we gotta mix these, and then next.
And you put some mess.
No.
And then
One moment.
And then next we got some whipped cream.
No, you suck.
I know.
You're so weird.
I think we're all out of. There we go. There we go. Deliciousness.
Wait, guys, now we got
stir
And then we gotta stir it well. Sorry for the background. It has to look like this. It has to look like this, everybody. And the next step is simple. Jack, stop messing with the camera.
Wait,
Next, we gotta add some sugar.
No, it's enough sugar.
You're right. It's already too much sugar.
It's enough sugar. You don't
now
need
you
more.
put whatever.
No.
Next, we got a bit of pepper.
No. It's fine how it is.
No. Let me choose the next step. So it's like this. My famous delicious snack. But first, we gotta add something else. Hold on.
Sponsor this.
Stop. It's only Kellogg's that needs to sponsor us and the fruit snacks.
Next,
Stop.
we're gonna be making.
Please sponsor.
Goldfish. If we're gonna finish this, we gotta.
Oh no. We would also like another sponsor of
From Goldfish.
from I'm sorry if I say this wrong.
Pepperidge Farm. Please sponsor us, Pepperidge Farm. Gotta dip some.
Our favorite flavor is the cheddar and the extra cheddar.
You like the rainbow,
extra
like
cheddar
unfortunately.
and the rainbow. So if you guys could hook us up real quick,
That would be real nice. And then you have this deliciousness of
mixture.
And then we got.
Where's the whipped cream?
We don't need. It's right here. Besides, roll out.
Yeah, we're all out.
And then this almost completes it.
You need a couple more though.
You need a couple more.
You put about 15 to 20 and you're set. No.
We need some.
Hold on, wait. I know the next ingredient.
One moment. Stop putting your foot in the camera.
Oh, geez.
Guys, I'm not mean. It's just a joke.
Okay, guys. Next thing on the list is you need one saltine. Don't worry.
Saltines, please. Whoever's out there who works for Saltine or whoever owns Saltine, please
And then you see
sponsor.
the saltine.
Saltines are only the best.
You gotta smush it up real nice. You gotta push it in there. There we go. Delicious snack. All set. Now we just gotta mix it real nice.
Wait,
We need some water to this.
we need one.
Yeah.
We need a
Guys,
different spoon.
Hydrate. Don't put it in here. Just drink it.
That's from Keystone.
Yeah,
by the way.
that is you need some water to go with this because this could make your mouth dry.
Yeah.
But then again,
Very salty. No, it's a nice mixture, salty and sweet.
there we go. My delicious snack all set.
I need some of this.
No, you don't. Okay, Jeff, stop adding.
All right,
I'm
taste
the chef,
test.
Boi
Taste
RD.
test. Taste
my-
test.
Taste test, guys.
Guys,
This will be.
Guys, taste test time. Let's go, boys.
You enjoyed that?
It's so good. It's actually good.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try it. Yum.
Okay, now it's my
No,
turn.
no, Jack didn't get it. He didn't do anything.
It's delicious.
Guys, delicious.
Not just sponsor.
Please.
This is delicious. Look at us chewing down. Oh, this is oh.
Oh. You good?
Take a bite.
And there we go, guys. Our delicious meal.
Homemade.
Delicious.
Definitely not from Kellogg's or Pepper Ridge.
This is blood.
It was great for the kids.
A bit salty.
Just a bit salty. So, guys,
Guys, your ingredients: whipped cream,
goldfish.
goldfish, fruit snacks, and saltines,
And honey.
and a bowl and a spoon. Okay, that's all you need.
What about
For
whipped
this
cream?
delicious, we already said we could. For this delicious snack, guys, you can have this snack just
Guys,
like
it's actually delicious. Like, no joke.
really good, isn't it? I almost puked.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Have a stop.
Thank you all for watching the cooking show. Make sure to catch up next time. And today, well, we're out. Make sure to cook this for your friends, your family. Thanksgiving dinner. Thanksgiving's right around the corner. I think he's dropped his spoon. Okay. Make sure to catch up next time on the cooking show. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all. And thank you for watching tonight. And thank
Don't
you.
forget